Hi everyone, so this is Crafty Kim here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Hopefully you will hit that like button and you will hit the subscribe button. Also, I have in the upper right hand corner a link that will lead you directly to my Etsy shop. So today I just want to share with you this quick journal that I made inspired by my little one's birthday party. We just did her on October 2nd. Her birthday party was mermaid theme. We had a whole bunch of jellyfishes and things that were the whole room was just turned into an ocean, and it was just really fun. I had so much fun making all that party themed things, and so I decided to make a journal. So it's mermaid theme, well, ocean mermaid theme, and I've never really done anything mermaid. It was at the last minute that we had decided to do mermaid. It was either princess or mermaid, and so I decided to go with mermaid. And so this is the cover. I think I went a little too overboard on the cover. I want your guys' opinion. Maybe I should remove this one, or maybe remove this on top, I don't know, or leave it there. But anyway, on the cover I have some of these shells that are painted blue with some glitter, have ribbon, fabric, a lot. You're going to see a lot of this applique, wedding applique, in this beautiful color. This happens to be one of my favorite colors. Well, it is my favorite color, not one of my favorite colors, but the different shades of blue. And I have a cute little mermaid here, and she's talking to a cute little fish. And I have another one of those shells up here. And the fabric, the cover is made of fabric. And you could hear that it has one of those envelopes as its cover. It has beautiful lace all around. I also added some, I don't know what this fabric is called, but I got it from the cosplay section. Also this as well from Joann's. And so let's see what's inside. The cover is closed. The closure, I should say, is from this beautiful ribbon. And when you open it, this is what you get on the inside. I made a pocket here with some tags here. In this pocket you could put quite a bit. I'm thinking I might add some trim here just to give it a little bit more pizzazz, make it a little bit more pretty. I don't know, guys, help me to think. Leave me, I'm all fumbled today. Leave me a comment, please, and let me know if I should add some trim here. So this is the first page, and isn't it gorgeous? I just love anything shiny, blingy. Oh God. So all the pages have all this beautiful trim. So here we have a cute little mermaid here, and here it just says mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. And you guys know me that I like to have things flip. So this will flip out so you can journal. This flips up and you got your page to journal, and this is just an open tag so you can add whatever you like. With this journal you will be getting a whole bunch of images for you to doodle and color and add to your journal if that's what you want to do. So here's the next page, and every time I touch it I feel like it sounds like the crinkling of an ocean. I don't know, that's just me, I'm weird. Oh, this is the next page. So we have this beautiful mermaid, the seashells, some bubbles which are from pearls, applique, and this just folds down so that you can journal, and that tag comes out, so you have quite a bit of space there to journal. On this side we have the seahorse, which is so gorgeous. We have a broken page here. Some of the pages have these edges that are like when they got baked in the oven, they just kind of like naturally broke off, and I think it just gives it so much more beauty. So here goes another tag with some applique, and it's just the water, and you have all this space to journal here. I went crazy using my stash of beautiful applique. So here we have a mermaid tail here with some pearls, some appliques, some more of that beautiful fabric. And the reason why I added a lot of this sequenced fabric is because it kind of reminds me of scales from a fish. And you have a beautiful mermaid up here. Here's the tag, cute applique that comes out. This is a mermaid's tail. You can flip this, of course, up so that you have space to journal. And you could definitely take this out if this is not your style. You can definitely take that out. Over here, I added some netting to kind of make it look like they're trying to catch the whale, or the dolphin, I should say. Well, it is probably a whale. Some more pearls are here, applique, and up here I got some sequins as well. Some more of that beautiful fabric. I just love this fabric. So this definitely could be a pocket. This flips up, you can journal under there, and this is a big pocket where you can add definitely some great pictures or memorabilia. And it just tucks back in there like so. Hopefully I am in view. And here goes the next page. I'm sorry, I have tissue paper underneath it on my table, so you don't see all the stuff that's glued down to my crafting table. So here I have this cute pink fish. We have some trim here on the bottom, some applique, some of this sequence trim that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this applique pieces I have in my shop. You can find those. And if you don't see it, just let me know if you're interested in this color applique. So here is the little card for this one. It just reveals a mermaid. You can see. So you have a little spot to definitely journal, tuck something in there. With this journal, I will be sending some blank pages as well, so you could just tuck it in into the signature. It has one signature. So this is a canvas, what'd you call that? Canvas banner that I had gotten from Michael's. I have a couple of packs of these in blue. And it has here some cute little seahorses, some more of that trim, some trim here, and a mermaid's tail. And this just flips up so you can journal, and there goes a tag that's just tucked under here. Then we have this gorgeous page, and it's just full of blue. Love it, love it, love it. I really love how this came out. Here goes another mermaid's tail or mermaid scale tag. Reveals a whale here. Plenty of space to journal here. I wanted it to have enough journaling spaces as well as be super over decorated. So here goes another spot. You flip this up, take the tag out, and you have a mermaid's tail here that you can also just flip up and write with and write on. I'm just all tongue-tied today. I don't know what's wrong with me. So here is the next page, and this is just one of the little guys that's supposed to come along, getting some extra little images that you could put wherever you want. So I love these blue seashells. Actually, I have printed some of these for my baby's party. Added some pearls to look like little bubbles all around. Applique here, and this flips up so you can journal, and then this one flips out this way to the side so you can journal. So definitely you could tuck some tags here. Here's the center of the signature, so you could add pages easily inside here. I love this page. Isn't this gorgeous? I love, love, love how it just came out. So this is the turtle page, which I love so much. Actually, I had printed this as well for my little one's party. So there was turtles and jellyfish and shells and mermaid tails everywhere. So it just has some shells here that I just added some bling to. Have some of that sequence trim from the Dollar Tree. I took the turtle, cut her in half, added some applique so you could flip her out. And here goes the tag. and you could journal definitely a lot here. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is just some reflective paper. And here goes the back side of the turtle, and you can see that it has plenty of journaling space. And tuck that there. My favorite page. Definitely my favorite page. So here goes the seahorse page, and I really like how this came out as well. It's got some pearls on the seahorse. We have trim everywhere. Of course, I had to trim down his face a little bit just so that his nose wouldn't peep out. And of course, you can journal on here. You could journal here. Also, you could tuck something here. The mermaid's tail just flips over. So you can definitely either have the tail out or under. Doesn't matter. And then here, we have a applique pocket with a cute tag, reveals a cute fish under there. And then this tail of this mermaid flips up. This shell also flips up, so you can definitely add something under there, journal under there as well. So that's that page. And then here goes the next page. And again, we have a mermaid up here. We have a mermaid's tail down here. And this flips up, so you can journal on top and bottom. And then this tail flips down so that the mermaid can flip down, and you can journal up there as well. And then on this side, we have a corner pocket. The tag reveals a nice coral. You have a turtle up here, and the turtle just flips up, and you can definitely journal all this with a cute mermaid tag here. And you just put that in like so. Definitely you can remove all these tags if you don't want them. Me personally, I probably wouldn't have any tags in them. I probably would just have it showing all the applique in the page. And here goes the next page. We have this gorgeous turtle here. The mermaid is swimming, looking at the turtle. She's got her head bent. And this just flips up so you can journal on this page. Oops, lost one of my hairs. And then here we have a fish. Still got all the trims of the cutting and gluing together in here still. Here you have a fish here with a beautiful applique in the side pocket with a cute little tag. Reveals a seashell, and of course the fish flips, so you can definitely have enough space to journal. And this just tucks back in like so. And then the last page, and I was debating whether I would put a pocket on here and cover up this fabric. I'm not sure. You guys should let me know if I should cover up this last page. So this last page has some of this beautiful trim, some gorgeous applique here on the corner, a mermaid's tail, and of course this flips out so you can journal, and as well as the mermaid's tail. So I had so much fun making this. And again, it's gonna come with extra pages just so that you can add some personal touches or more journaling. I make my journals, my junk journals, to have enough space for you to add as many more pages as you want, because there's no point of having a journal that only has 10 pages and you don't have space to really journal in it. So this would be great for a vacation, or you know, a birthday, or just for anything. It's just super gorgeous. Again, you can remove this or you can remove that. It's totally up to you. And so yeah, this is it. Please leave a nice comment, kind comment. I really do appreciate it when you guys comment on my videos. I know my videos are not the best, but when I do share it with you guys, it's with lots of love that I share it, and well wishes to everyone who's watching. Thank you. Hope everybody's being safe, keeping safe, and that the Lord will guide and bless you all in Jesus' name. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.